Welcome to our channel. Discover the fastest way to fix your SunTrust debit card decline and get back to your transactions smoothly. Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing a SunTrust debit card decline, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you resolve the issue. Quickly start by verifying that your card details are entered correctly. If you are using your card online or at a terminal, a small typo in the card number, expiration date, or CVV code can cause a decline. Always double-check your inputs. Next, check your account balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds available to cover the transaction. SunTrust cards are linked to your checking or savings account, and a low balance can result in a declined transaction. If your balance is low, deposit funds to cover your purchases. Then look for any restrictions or alerts on your account. Sometimes debit cards are declined if the bank suspects unusual activity, or if there is a hold on the account. Log into your online banking or mobile app to see if any notifications have been posted, or call customer service to confirm your account status. Another important step is to ensure your card is activated. If you recently received a new card, SunTrust requires activation before it can be used. When is the last time you used your card? Expired or damaged cards can also cause declines, so check the card's expiration date and the physical condition of the card. If expired, request a replacement card. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, contact SunTrust customer service directly. Their representatives can provide specific information about the decline and help you restore your card functionality quickly. They may need to reset your card or verify your identity to lift any security blocks. Following these steps will generally fix most SunTrust debit card declines and get you back on track with minimal delay. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful financial tips.